Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are looking at a very useful device in industrial automation, the Universal Signal Isolator and Transmitter Module. It's a compact, DIN-rail mounted unit designed for reliable signal conversion and isolation between your sensors, transmitters, and PLC or DCS systems. In the box, you'll find the isolator module itself, the user manual, and mounting accessories. The module is lightweight, around 200 grams, with clear terminal labeling for input, output, and power. It's built with flame-retardant housing and is ready for DIN-rail installation, perfect for control panels and junction boxes. Let's go through its key features. It supports multiple input types, thermocouples, RTDs, voltage, and current signals, making it truly universal. You get three-way isolation between input, output, and power, which means there's complete electrical protection for your equipment. It's accurate up to ±0.1%, has a fast response time under half a second, and minimal temperature drift of just 0.015% per degree. The power supply can be either AC 85 to 265 volts or DC 22 to 28 volts, and it consumes less than 60 mA even in dual-channel mode. Let's start with example 1, a single-channel current loop connection. Here, the input comes from a field transmitter giving a 4 to 20 mA. We connected two terminals 1, plus, and 2, of the isolator. The output side, terminals 5, plus, and 6, go to the PLC or DCS analog input. The module gets its 24V DC power supply from the control panel. Now, example 2, voltage to current conversion. Suppose you have a sensor giving a 0 to 5 volt signal but your PLC only accepts 4 to 20 mA. Connect the voltage input to the isolator's input terminals and take the 4 to 20 mA output to the PLC input terminals. The isolator internally converts and isolates both signals. This universal isolator is ideal for process signal isolation and transmission, temperature and humidity monitoring systems, chemical plants, HVAC systems, and power stations, PLC and DCS analog signal conditioning, and any industrial panel where signal accuracy and protection matter most. So that's a complete overview of the Universal Signal Isolator Transmitter Module. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more industrial automation videos.